Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, we can discuss about the what is orphan pages and what is the solution of orphan pages and how you guys will found your orphan pages. So orphan pages are website pages that are not linked to from any another sections of your site. This means a user does not know where to go next for more information because your page isn't linked to more of your site. These pages are not indexed and cannot be found by search engine crawlers. So that means if you have any pages, if you have any page and that page are not internal link with any another resources, so that page are orphan page. How Google crawler will found your page? Google cannot be able to found your page hierarchy and the bundle of your pages. Okay, you guys will understand from there. Now your Google crawler can land on home page, then you crawler can go for the category pages, then subcategory, then blogs, then internal link with Google crawler will crawl your all pages. If your all pages are connected to each other, that means Google crawler can spend more time over your website than Google crawler can get more information about your business, about your pages, about your website. So you guys can, if you have any pages and that page are not internal link anywhere, so must you guys have to internal link. And the next phase is how you guys will found your internal link. So the simple things, there are 2 to 3 tools. With the help of these tools, you guys can found your orphan pages. First one is sitecheckerpro.com. This is a best tool. You guys can found your orphan pages. And another tool we have also the Screaming Frog and the SEMrush. SEMrush, in the SEMrush section where you guys can found, you guys can go with audit website audit section. There you guys can found your orphan pages if you haven't. Okay, so and I can show you guys with the help of sitechecker.com how you guys will found your orphan pages. So you can see orphan pages only found via sitemap. So this is sitecheckerpro.com, and if you guys are new on this tool, so how you guys will going to use? So simply you guys can hit this website, and there you guys can add your first project. Then you guys can click for the start audit, and this will be going to ask you for your login details. So you guys have to create your profile, and the first time you guys will access this website all features as a free. Okay, so you can see dashboard site audit, and there is a so you guys can go for the site audit section, and there you guys can see page has internal link to 3 access pages, and the page has not anchored image only followed. Okay, page have internal links. So actually our website are haven't orphan pages. So if your website are having, so you guys can use this tool. This is sitecheckerpro.com. Okay, so this is the process for the orphan pages audit, and you guys will know how to fix orphan pages. The simple things, if you have any pages are orphan page, then you guys have to make internal link with your another resources from your service pages, blogs, or your index page, category page, anywhere you guys can provide a link at least. And also you guys have to mention in the sitemap. So this is a great thing. I will also add this thing. So how you guys will found your orphan pages. So simply you guys have to add first link, make it internal link, make it internal link. Second is internal link with category pages, category pages. Link with blog, and the next one is link with menu or footer section, and the last one is add in sitemap file. So these process, if you guys can follow, if you having a orphan page, you guys can do these things if possible anywhere. You guys can, this is a not a mandatory thing, so you guys have to add anywhere, all the where. So you guys can link with a category pages, or the blogs, or menu section, or footer, or and the sitemap is the compulsory. So once you guys can complete use these things, then you guys have to add in a sitemap. Okay, so this is the process for the orphan pages, and the solution also I have mentioned, and the tools, so you guys, which tools you guys can use to found orphan pages. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. I can also provide this PPT in the description section, where you guys can understand about the orphan pages. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. In if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.